Western red cedar wood. Western red cedar is a softwood species that is renowned for its durability and resistance to decay. It is native to the Pacific Northwest of North America and is found growing in coastal regions. The heartwood is usually a salmon-pink to dark brown color, but over time it will change to a reddish-brown, and eventually to a silver gray when exposed to the elements. It is known for its straight and even grain that has a coarse texture, and is non-resinous with a distinctive cedar smell. It is easy to work with and is often left unfinished for its weathered look. The sapwood is a white cream color, and is clearly differentiated from the heartwood. Western red cedar is often used for cladding, fascia, cover fillets, beading and mouldings. It is not ideal for decking or external joinery due to its softness and tendency to bruise easily, but is well suited for timber greenhouses. Material type softwood, also called red cedar, giant arborvitae, British Columbia red cedar, canoe codar, Pacific red cedar, shingle-out giant cedar. Western red cedar weathers very well. It can, however, suffer from attack from the western cedar borer when growing, and the common furniture beetle when seasoned. It is challenging to treat with preservatives but can be successfully left to naturally weather. It is a very common external cladding timber. Western red cedar has very low resistance to shock loads and very low stiffness. Its bending and crushing strength are low, and it does not steam bend well. It works easily with hand and machine tools. It nails well without splitting and glues and screws well. The wood planes well and has only a minor blunting effect on cutting edges. Its straight grain allows it to be split easily for roof shingles. Its acid properties can corrode iron, so copper, galvanized or stainless steel fixings should be used. Western red cedar trees typically reach heights of 165 to 200 feet with trunk diameters ranging from 7 to 13 feet. When it comes to moisture content, kiln-dried western red cedar usually falls between 12 to 18%. The heartwood of western red cedar is known for its reddish to pinkish brown color, often featuring random streaks and bands of darker red or brown areas. The narrow sapwood is a pale yellowish white and isn't always sharply demarcated from the heartwood. The grain is generally straight, with a coarse texture and a moderate natural luster. Western red cedar is quite easy to work with, whether you're using hand or machine tools. However, it's important to note that it dents and scratches very easily due to its softness. Additionally, it can sand unevenly because of the difference in density between the early wood and late wood zones. On the plus side, it glues and finishes well. Be cautious with iron-based fasteners though, as they can stain and discolor the wood, especially when moisture is present. Western red cedar wood is incredibly versatile. You'll find it in guitar parts, ship and boat building, roofing shingles, and even beehives. It's also commonly used for sheds and greenhouses, exterior cladding, siding and lumber, boxes, crates, decorative veneer, and various musical instruments. This wood truly has a wide range of applications. Roots and bark were used for baskets, bowls, ropes, clothing, blankets, and rings. Pricing and availability. Should be moderately inexpensive for construction-grade lumber, though higher grades of clear, straight-grained quarter-sawn lumber can be more expensive. Woodworkers' thoughts: lightweight, easy to handle, cuts and machines well, smells nice, finishes well. Only real downside is that it bruises easily, so cannot be used for flooring or furniture or windows, doors, or any high-traffic or high-usage items. Very good for greenhouses though, due to its low maintenance and durability. Interesting facts. Western red cedar has a history of use by the indigenous peoples of the northwest coast in North America. Some tribes refer to themselves as people of the red cedar, used for totem poles, masks, utensils, boxes, instruments, canoes, vessels, and houses.